All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. You may be wondering why you are on my forehead and why you are not looking at my beautiful baby face. Just kidding, I'm actually quite ugly. We did something today. We got the tint. We got the tint put on. I'll get you an outside shot a little later on, but yep, as you can see, we did 20 in the front. We did 5 in the back. I don't know if you guys could see the 5, but we got 5 in the back. But so we did that earlier today. They wouldn't really allow me to video them putting the tint on. It was just a small little shop. But anyways, today we are going to put in my skip shift eliminator. This car, and I think it was 2000. Crap, I can't remember. It was something, I think it was in the mid-2000s. Chevy decided to put this CAG system, this computer-aided gear selection. Basically, if the car is, I believe it's above 171 degrees, less than 26 or 30% throttle application, and lower than 2,500 RPMs, it will force you to go into fourth gear from first to fourth. You can't go to second. I mean, you can. There's ways around it, but I want to get rid of that because I like doing my 1-2 shifts and just skipping basically 2 and 3. I feel is a little dumb. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about here. It comes up on the dash. It says 1 to 4 for fuel economy. So let's get this car started here. Make sure the radio is off. Don't want to get copyright. Audio volume all the way down. No XM radio anyways, but audio volume muted. Cool, perfect. Yes. We are in first gear right now. Now I hope everybody can see this, but so we take off. And now, see, information, gear skipped for fuel economy, straight to fourth gear. Now, seatbelt for safety. I'm still in my housing development, so pardon my no seatbelt, but I just clicked it, so we're good. Yeah, so that's basically the issue, and we can do it again. It doesn't happen all the time. Now, I can occasionally, sometimes, see, I was just under 2,000 RPM, so it didn't tell me to do it. So now I'm in my second, third, fourth. So, but it does do it, and it's quite annoying. So back in first gear here. And there it is, gear skipped for fuel economy. And we're back. We're in the garage here. As you can see, window tint. So, like I said, 5% in the back. Got the 5% here. I don't know, I gotta get this. I gotta get that looked at. Focus. There. I gotta get that looked at. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. See how it turns out. But, so, yeah. We're gonna get this install done. I don't know where any of this stuff is. I will be right back. What the hell is that? Oh. Well, luckily, I don't know what that is. All right. You guys can see it. Right there. That, well, let me use my finger. This area here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Phone's trying to focus on whatever's there, but yeah, I don't know what the heck that is. Maybe it's from the guy when he did the tint. I don't know. Anyways, I'm rambling. I'm doing stupid stuff. Yeah. Let's get this installed. All right, so I looked under there. I am not gonna be able to do this without jacking the car up. So I don't really want to go on my pinch welds because I don't want to fold them. So I'm going right here, going right there where the control arm connects, and that should be good. Sorry, I have a visitor here. This one. What are you doing, Luna? Go on somewhere. Go on with your bad self. Anyways, so yeah, I gotta raise this up. Whoops. I think I could turn my light on here. Hold on. Wait, I have a light. I'm retarded. I'm an idiot. I have a light. There we go. Shed some light on the situation. Ha ha ha. Now, I believe that is my reverse lockout. And then I believe that plug right there, I believe that gray one is the one I need to mess with. By the way, this big hunk of metal here, yeah, that's gonna go bye-bye too. But give me 1 minute. That connector right there, all the way up there, that little thing, that's what I need to get out. So bear with me for a few seconds, and I will be right back. All right, that actually wasn't too bad. So I got, where's my finger? So I got this out of the way now. So basically I just got to take, geez, sorry, my camera angles are so terrible right now. Sorry, I'm like on my back, upside down. It's really, really difficult. All right, so I basically just need to take this. This is the skip shift itself. There's a resistor in here in the top part that basically tricks the computer into thinking that we're skipping our shifts, but we're really not. So let's put that on. Oops, sorry. Terrible camera. But yes, see, so it goes in like that. You should hear an audible click. I'm trying to align it properly. Let me move my light so you guys can see. That's better. So yeah, there we go, audible click, it's in, perfect. And then at the top, I don't know if you guys can see, but right there see if the camera will focus. Trying to get it to focus right in there. So that is where this thing comes in. This piece, it's essentially the same connector as this. It's just, it's blocked off at the end, so it doesn't have any connectors, really. There's nothing inside. Sorry. Like I said, I'm upside down, backwards, and all that stuff. But yeah, like I said, there's nothing inside there. It's just a dummy plug that we are going to put on to that white piece back there. And this install should be done. So that was actually very painless. I would say, I don't know, once I figured out where everything was, and everything, sorry, you guys probably like were up my nostrils. But once I figured out where everything was and everything, it was 5 minutes. I mean, I'm using a jack to hold the car up. It was 5 minutes, super simple. And we're not going to have that stupid skip shift from 1 to 4 like Chevy intended this transmission to do, but I don't want to do that. I want my 1-2, so yep. Let's get this in here. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to watch me do it, but it's really hard to get your hand in there. That white piece right there. Right there. It's really hard to get your hand in there. So I may have to put you guys down for a second. Hold on. Oh, God. I spoke too soon. So, in retrospect, that little blue plug right... Where's my finger? Oh, whoops. Too far. That little blue plug right there. Right there. As you can see, my finger skin has been peeled back. Yeah. That little thing right there, that was literally the hardest. I mean, there is no room. I mean, yeah, you could probably fit a piece of paper in between that and the lining of the carpet, the sound dampening. So all I got to do now is just zip tie this to this wire loom over here, like so. And we should be done. So I will lower the car down and then we will go on a drive, put you back on the GoPro, and we should be done. Let's go on a little test drive. Now, I don't know if that skip shift, this, you know, for fuel economy 1 through 4 is going to go away or not. I'm not sure. It might still say it, it might not. So we just have to wait and see, and the car's already up to temperature, so we should find out here pretty quickly. It didn't lock me out, but it did say for fuel economy, skip, you know, gear skip for fuel economy 1 through 4. But let's see, let's try it again. It didn't lock me out again, that's good. Now, like I said, sometimes it does let you go 2-second gear, even though it does say that. Sometimes it will let you go 2 seconds. So we're gonna have to drive around for a little bit, maybe hoon it. By the way, move the Mazda over, I can actually open my door. Oh, now you can actually see how bright it is. So this is how bright it is basically before I got the tint. Now, with the tint, wait for the light to go out. There we go. Now with the tint, it's a lot darker in here. I actually like it. Gives me a little more privacy from prying eyes. Yeah, everybody knows how nosy people can be nowadays. But let's go. Hopefully I can get out of here. Yeah. Jesus, that scared the crap out of me. All we needed, really, was a pair of needle nose pliers. Jeez, I am so crooked. I'm gonna have to fix that. I'm super crooked. But yeah, all we needed was a pair of needle nose pliers, really. I'm gonna close this because it's absolutely freezing. I gotta get a new garage door. Raggedy. Push the button and it sticks. But, like I said, just needed a pair of needle nose pliers. Really is what it is. I mean, I'm excited. This means we're getting somewhere. It's baby steps, baby steps, baby steps. Next, I believe we might do a cold air intake, and then we'll start looking into exhaust. I'm not sure exactly which exhaust and which cold air intake I really want to go with yet. So if you guys can leave a comment below and let me know what your guys' suggestions is for a cold air intake and headers and a full catback exhaust. Like I said, just leave a comment below and we will conversate in it in the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, which most of you are new. So please subscribe. Got new content rolling out every week. And, you know, smash that like button. And like I said, yeah, just leave a comment, subscribe, like, and if you can dream it, you can build it.